I want to talk to you about getting the right contract for your business. A lot of people think that the best way to get a contract for their business is to try to find a form online. They think that just pulling a form off of the internet somewhere is going to get them where they need to go because they need a contract. But the reality of it is that contract is designed to shape or define the relationship in your business. And you want to make sure that that contract is fitting what it is that you need and what you're trying to accomplish. Having a good contract can be a way of developing a solid relationship, whether it be with a customer or supplier or another business that you're working with. And some people think, well, because I'm going through a repetitive transactional relationship with someone, that means that any kind of a form contract is good, and that's what I need, a form contract. Well, even though you're probably going to use the same form or substantially the same form in whatever contract relationship that you're engaging in, having that contract really reflect what the relationship is what you're looking for, and you want somebody that's going to be able to help you to define that relationship better. Doing that can help you to stay on course with what it is that you want to accomplish in your business. Sometimes you can think, well, I do business transactions all the time. I do it on a handshake. We understand one another. We talk through it, and that's sufficient. And that is a good way of developing trust in a business, but your contract and its terms can also be a very powerful way to maintain that trust. Because if you have those things defined out where everyone can understand them and reference them as you go forward in the relationship, it can actually strengthen that relationship rather than to make it difficult or adversarial even. In the end, too, your contract language is designed to be reflective of that relationship, but it's not going to be able to anticipate every particular issue or problem. Some people come in and they say, well, I want an ironclad contract that's going to stand up in court. And the answer is, well, there's no such thing as that. You don't have a contract that's going to anticipate every circumstance or that's going to be able to address every issue. And when you take a contract into court, you remove it away from the interpretation and understanding of the parties, and you put it into the realm of a third party trying to figure out what those parties to the contract meant or were trying to express in terms of that. So you can't expect your contract to do so much, meaning that it keeps you out of court, but your contract can define for you the relationship that you're engaging in, the transaction that you're engaging in a way that can create greater stability. And then if need be, and disputes arise that you're not able to resolve, then your contract can be the means of resolving that through the court process. So how do you get a good contract in place? You really want to be able to counsel with somebody who's going to understand your business and what relationship you're trying to create in your business with that contract, and then craft the language around solidly defining that relationship.